Patrol boats from Tonga, Samoa and the Cook Islands pulled into port yesterday as part of Regional Corporation marine surveillance exercises. The joint exercise patrol activity led and hosted by the Tongan Defence Services involves Niue, Tonga, Samoa and Cook Islands as part of collaborative work under the Niue Treaty. We spoke with local fisheries representative about the exercise and opportunity for the island.
This is a really great opportunity for us to embrace, considering we do not have any patrolling assets. So yeah, it's a good opportunity and a good chance to meet up with the guys that are actually involved in carrying out some patrolling on our behalf as well. The three boats, one is from Cook Islands, one from Tonga and another one from Samoa. They're manned by 14 to 15 crew per vessels, relatively the same sizes, and it's good to see them in our shores, and knowing too that this is the first time that we had this type of exercise at this scale, and we really embrace that. This will become an annual exercise for us, but that all depends on the service providers' capabilities and willingness to assist us or come up with another agreement to run another exercise for our EZ, especially for our waters. This is where it all begins.
People stopped in their tracks, fascinated by this rare sight. Meanwhile, the crew from Voea, Whangai, Te Kukupa and Nawhanua took leave ashore to go on a round the island tour, making a brief stop in Hakupa for a game of cricket hosted by the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries.
We really wanted to put on a fun activity for the guys that are here. We're thinking of having a rugby team or even touch rugby or something like that, but we prefer to stick to something of a traditional game. So a 2-hour game of cricket. We just come up with our own rules, and it looks like it's really working well for everybody. It's good to see that a lot of guys, pretty much everybody that are here enjoying themselves. Something that we thought it would work for everyone, just try and get them relaxed into our environment here.
Niue Fisheries has been organising this exchange for some time now, and the patrol boats were on a courtesy stopover in Niue for a day. Before departing today, the patrol boats conducted a series of surveillance manoeuvres. Due to the sensitive nature of the operation, the schedule cannot be revealed, but it is hoped that this will be an ongoing exercise to monitor the exclusive economic zones, especially in terms of illegal fishing in our waters. As the Pacific Minigames draws to a close this week, Team Niue has come away with 3 silver medals and some personal bests and national records set. With only 2 athletes competing, this has been quite a successful games, and for Niuean shot putter and discus thrower Janam Hopatoa, the games has been a humbling experience. According to sources, Janam placed 5th in the discus with a throw of 39.20 metres, a new personal best and national record. He also placed 5th in shot put with a throw of 11.40 metres, also a personal best. Team Niue have already made their way to New Zealand, awaiting the next flight back home. At the moment, at the mini-games, Papua New Guinea are in the lead on the medal table with 84 medals, Tahiti trailing behind in second with 39, and third placing with New Caledonia 35 medals. Niue placed on the medal tally thanks to the efforts of weightlifter Danny Nemani. The 9th Pacific Mini-Games will conclude tomorrow with the next games set to be hosted by Vanuatu in 2017. Reports that the planned regional touch tournament scheduled for Niue in October has cancelled is not yet confirmed by Niue Touch or government. Despite 2 out of 5 teams that confirmed cancellation, Niue, Tonga and Papua New Guinea was still verified to compete. As months got closer, the competition The response from Niue Touch executives said the competition will be a tri-nation battle between Tonga, Papua New Guinea and Niue. However, since then, Tonga pulled out of the competition. Niue Touch Rugby executive has yet to make a decision on whether the competition will continue. It is believed some of the teams that pulled out of the Niue tournament are participating in the Fiji competition. We will bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin. The Blue Marble yacht that ran aground last Thursday is still awaiting a decision on whether the yacht can be transported to another country. Blue Marble, with a crew of 8, with majority from Norway, arrived on the island on Tuesday evening, but did not moor until Wednesday during the day to avoid any mishaps. However, the latter took the best of the yacht. With the yacht removed from the reef and onto the wharf, the captain of the yacht said they have rid of some of their properties, but there is still a lot left, and will await a decision from the insurance company as to the fate of the yacht. The young crew said they are pleased with the response from different people on the island who have also offered them assistance and accommodations while on the island. We'll bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin. And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Wapa Village Fishing Competition yesterday showed that the veterans of the game still belong in the blue yonder. 2 of the village's canoe fishermen took top prizes in a surprise turn of events that saw the competition postponed from Saturday to Monday. More than 38 canoes registered for the competition, but only half landed catches. The pelagic fish category started with the tuna section, with Reverend Petessasion Tuatu in 3rd place, second to Langalavini, with Bonikapang outweighing the section to take 1st place. The other pelagic section for wahoo and other species, only 2 were caught, with second prize going to Halafo Mokalei for his mai, and the only wahoo caught went to Faleafa Misileki, who also managed to take out the main prize of the day for the heaviest pelagic fish. Bottom fish category caused much excitement as buyers flocked to the sea tracks to purchase fish, but the main purpose for all fishermen to see who can grab first prize. 3rd prize for the bottom fish category, the heaviest, went to Chamberlain Peter, second to Longosio Manu, and overall heaviest pelagic fish went to Onolima. The heaviest overall catch went to Amone Similika. All entries received acknowledgement gifts, with some of the young up-and-coming fishermen also acknowledged for their great efforts in carrying on the tradition of canoe fishing. The competition also included the reef, spearfishing and seafood gathering, with all entries acknowledged on the day. The village council said they wish to thank all the sponsors of the day and more so the participants of the competition. The next event is the Women's Handcraft Competition that will take place on Thursday, leading up to the Village Show Day on Saturday. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.